Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. In this video, I will show you how you can recover uninstalled or deleted system applications on your Realme or Oppo devices. So first of all, subscribe my channel and now let's get started. Now go to your settings and in search bar, search for app management, and here you will get this option, or you can just scroll down and find app management and click on it, and after that you will see this option, recover uninstalled system apps. You need to click on it, and here you will find all the applications which you uninstalled or deleted accidentally or intentionally, and you will find them here. So for example, if I want to install this application called So Loop on my device again, all I need to do is to click on install, and here it will be installed, and here you can find this application. That's how you can recover all the system applications on your Oppo and Realme devices. That's all guys. If you want more such videos, then make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Goodbye.